Does sleep apnea cause heart palpitations? If you've ever woken up in the middle of the night with a racing or irregular heartbeat, you might be wondering if your sleep apnea could be the culprit. Let's break down the connection between sleep apnea and heart palpitations. Sleep apnea is a condition where your breathing stops and starts repeatedly during sleep. This can happen because your airway is partially or completely blocked. When this happens, your body doesn't get the oxygen it needs, which can affect your heart. One of the key factors here is the lack of oxygen. When your airway is blocked, your blood oxygen levels drop. This can cause your heart to work harder to get enough oxygenated blood circulating through your body. As a result, your heart rate can increase, and you might experience palpitations, which are feelings of a racing, fluttering, or pounding heartbeat. During these episodes of blocked breathing, your body reacts by waking up briefly to clear the blockage and restore normal breathing. This stop-start process can disrupt your heart's normal rhythm, leading to arrhythmias or irregular heartbeats. In fact, people with sleep apnea are about 4 times more likely to develop a heart rhythm disorder called atrial fibrillation. The strain on your heart doesn't stop there. Sleep apnea can also lead to high blood pressure, which is another risk factor for heart problems. When your body is under stress from lack of oxygen, your blood pressure can rise, making your heart work even harder. This increased pressure can lead to heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular issues. Additionally, the repeated interruptions in breathing can cause nighttime arousals, where you wake up suddenly due to the lack of oxygen. These arousals can cause your heart rate and blood pressure to spike, further contributing to heart palpitations. So, to answer your question directly, yes, sleep apnea can indeed cause heart palpitations. The combination of reduced oxygen levels, increased heart rate, and the strain on your heart all contribute to this connection. If you're experiencing frequent or severe palpitations, it's important to consult with your doctor to determine the underlying cause and get the right treatment.